Hi choice friends, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making yam, ugba in yam. As you can see, I'm making use of the half yam because the other side went bad. So here I'm peeling the yam. I'm going to peel the yam and cut it into my desired size. If this is your first time into my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So right now we are going to place our water to the fire, and after the water has boiled, we are going to go in with our washed yam. So as you can see, I'm just adding the washed yam to the hot water. So I'm going to let it cook for 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, the yam is cooked, so I'm going to scoop them out and keep it aside. So guys, at this point we are going to proceed to our leaves. So this is the leaf we are going to be working with. It's called green leaf in Nigeria. I don't know what it's called in your country. I don't know if you have this particular leaf in your country, but this is the leaf we normally use to make such dish in Nigeria. So as you can see, I'm plucking the leaf from the stem. I'm going to dice them. I'm going to slice them. So guys, if it's your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Please support the channel by commenting, giving the video a thumbs up. So guys, we finished cutting the leaf. At this point, we're going to add our diced onions to the plain pot. We're not going to be adding any oil to the pot at this moment. We're just going to add the onion direct to the pot and let the onion cook on its own for 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll proceed to the next step. So here comes the show of the dish. This is called ugba. This is a traditional food in Igbo lands. It's rich and it's very healthy. So we're going to toast this for 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on how you want to cook your ugba. Me, I don't like to just add it straight away and add oil. I like to toast it before I put the other ingredients. So after toasting it, you want to go in with your fish, your protein, your crayfish, whatever you want to use. So I'm using just the dry fish. So I'm toasting the dry fish and the ugba and onions together. After that, I'm going in with my seasoning cube. Here I use star seasoning cube and some dry pepper. You can add which seasoning you want. I'm also going with my curry because I love curry on my food. So keep tossing, tossing, tossing. So guys, after tossing, you want to go in with the boiled yam. Combine the yam and the ugba together. So right here now, you want to go in with your green leaves. After that, you want to add in your oil and then cover to simmer for 5 minutes. After that, take out the lid of your pot and then combine the whole food together. Combine thoroughly, combine together so that the whole food will mix together. So guys, after combining, this is how the food is looking, so delicious. Now we want to serve the food to our bowl. Trust me, this food tastes really delicious. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed. God bless you.